Welcome, students. Today we are going to learn the memory poem Life by Henry van Dyke. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. So let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Today, we are going to memorize the first four lines of the poem. Let me live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. Let me live my life from year to year. The word me and my in the first line refers to the poet Henry van Dyke. The word me and my refers to the poet. He wants to enjoy each and every moment of his life. With forward face and unreluctant soul, the word unreluctant soul refers to the person who is willing to do something. Here, the poet starts the poem with an optimistic note and he wants to lead a joyful life with forward face and unreluctant soul. Not hurrying to, not turning from the goal. The poet wants to enjoy each and every aspect of life. He wants to reach his destination without any sense of despair. He knows that haste makes waste. Not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past. The poet tells us not to worry about the failure. He tells us to leave all that we have lost in the past, to embrace the present with happiness and cheerful attitude. Today we are going to learn about the rhyming words also. To find out the rhyming words, we have to underline the last words in each and every line. Here, the word year and disappear are rhyming words. So, the first rhyming words are year and disappear. In the next two lines, soul and goal are rhyming. So, the next rhyming words are soul and goal. Then we have to find out the rhyme scheme. To find out the rhyme scheme also, we have to underline the last words in each and every line. And the rhyming words sounds get the same rhyme scheme and we have to mark for year and disappear A and soul and goal BB. So the rhyme scheme for the following lines are A B B A. Thank you, students.